Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button like this S capture. So here you can find screen recorder. You can record device audio, you can record microphone, or you can record both. You can also show touches on the screen. So after you tap start, after this countdown, recording starts. So now it's on. So when you're done recording, you just go to this upper bar, and here you can tap on this recording is saved. So you can just tap on this recording button here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, like I guess to these Google Photos. And here is our recording. So now it's on. So when you're done recording, you just go to this upper. And from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.